In today's video, we'll be making this delicious but very simple Turkish-style green lentil soup. Let's get started. Hey guys, it's Marlene here with Savory Thoughts. So in today's video, we are making this delicious but very simple Turkish-style green lentil soup. It's actually made with pasta and it's a straightforward recipe. So to begin, you want to go ahead and add about 6 cups of water into a Dutch oven or a large pot. Season it with salt and pepper to taste and add your tomato paste. For the tomato paste, we are adding about 1.5 teaspoons. Then add in your green lentils. Now for the green lentils, you want to make sure that they are washed at least 2 times, okay? Go ahead and add in your green lentils, cover it, and allow it to cook for about 25 minutes. In between, be sure to check it just to make sure that nothing is stuck to the bottom of your pot or Dutch oven. So after the 25 minutes are up, you're going to add in your pasta, and you can use thin spaghetti. You can also use fettuccine noodles, or actually any kind of noodles that you have, okay? Then go ahead and add 2 cups of water, the remaining 2 cups of water. So go ahead and cook that for about 10 minutes or in accordance to the directions on your box. At this point, you also want to make sure that you taste it and adjust the seasoning if needed. So add a little bit more salt or pepper if desired. And drizzle about 1 teaspoon of olive oil just so that the pasta do not stick together. Cover it and allow it to cook. Once your ingredients are cooked, go ahead and cover it with the lid and set it aside. And in a small skillet, we're going to add the toppings. And for this, you need 1 tablespoon of dry cilantro, or you can use fresh cilantro, and 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, as well as 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Melt the butter in the oil first, then add the red pepper flakes and cilantro. Now you'll notice that your butter will foam up, and that's completely fine. The longer it sits, actually, it will the foam will disappear. But if you don't have time to wait, it's completely fine. Go ahead and use your spoon and scrape the top off. When you are ready to serve, go ahead and place your noodles in a bowl, top it with the infused oil, and enjoy. Guys, the full recipe is on the website at savorythoughts.com, where we're showing step-by-step procedure on how to make this delicious soup. And if you are new here, we would love for you to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. Cheers.